In this video, I will teach you how to fix Telegram not sending a verification code. This so you can log in or create your very Telegram account without having any issues at all. So first thing you need to do is to open your Telegram app on your phone right here, or you can also open your desktop and search for telegram.org. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But if you already have one, you're just going to log in with your phone number. If you're not receiving the verification code, make sure your internet connection is stable. You can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. A weak connection can delay or block the SMS or call from Telegram. You have to double check that you entered your phone number correctly, including your country code. Even one wrong digit means Telegram can send a code to your phone. Ensure your phone isn't blocking unknown numbers or filtering messages. If your phone is set to block spam calls like this one or something like this that is not recognized by your phone, or even the text that it sends, Telegram's code may be blocked. So also just have to check your inbox for the spam or eradicate the filtering of your messages. Also, you can check if your inbox is full and clear some space. This is so your Telegram code will be sent to you. If SMS like this isn't working, Telegram can send the code via a phone call or through your login Telegram app on another device. It shows something like this. So you'll be able to get a code using your logged in Telegram app on another device that you have. You just have to tap on didn't get the code and choose the alternate method to receive it faster. And sometimes high traffic or network issues can delay the code. You just have to wait a few minutes and try again. If this doesn't work still, contact your mobile carrier or Telegram support through telegram.org/support. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.